Hello friends, Jayashree would speak them right. The two words today which spell exactly the same but differ both in meaning as well as in pronunciation are L-E-A-D. L-E-A-D is actually two words. One is lead and the other is led. Now the first word, lead, L-E-A-D. Lead means a position or an advantage or to take the initiative for others to follow. That is called lead. To lead the program, to lead the parade. So lead means a position, an advantage, or to take an initiative for others to follow. That is lead, L-E-A-D. Word number 2. Same spelling, L-E-A-D, but the pronunciation is lead. What does lead mean? Lead means a metal. You know, our pencils are made out of lead. So lead, L-E-A-D, lead. Lead means a metal. So the two words which you have learned today, which have the same spelling but different meaning and different pronunciation, are lead and led. Lead and led. Next time, speak them right.